What I'll show you today is how those letters come back in as editable letters and how you can take advantage of that now. So for a quick overview of the flow, if you're using one of our marketplace partner apps for transcription, in that app, you'll see a list of today's appointments or a patient's in the app. You'll be able to start a transcription and complete the flow in that partner app of the transcription and the content that it generates. This step here is new, actually being able to send that draft letter back into Gentu, after which your staff or yourself can then edit and address the letter and send it out from Gentu. I'll pick up at this part of the workflow to show you how those letters appear as they come back in and how you can use the feature. So this demo will show from the point I've used the transcription app to push a letter back into Gentu. I'll start by going to Results and Letters, to Outgoing Correspondence, and then to the Drafts tab. Here I can see I've got a new letter that needs to be addressed. I can edit that letter and add new content or make changes. All the other content here has come from one of the transcription partners, so Meadow or Lyrebird at the moment. I've made some additional edits, adding that content in there. And then note that the Gentu template was applied as well. So the transcription partner's not creating the whole template. I can still control the template in Gentu. I can choose the styling or particular template that I want to use. And all of those blue letter references are still dynamic and pulling values from Gentu. Now that the letter's been edited, I can scroll back up and I can address the letter. So I can select for the appropriate recipient from my contacts within Gentu. And from here, the process will pick up just like any other letter in Gentu, as if it was written there originally. In this case, I'll mark it as ready to review and I'll save. But this will be whatever your process is from here, sending letters through Gentu. So this is available now, but you do need to do a little bit of minor setup to be able to take advantage of it. That is essentially setting up your letter templates so that they'll work with transcription, but it is very simple to switch on. So if you go into settings and letter templates, you'll see a list of your letter templates. Select the template that you want to use for transcription and click the pencil icon in the top right to edit it. There's a letter references dropdown, which is the icon in the top left of the toolbar. If you select dictation and then voice dictation text, it will add this special letter reference to your letter, which is the same one we use for the Gentu voice product as well. This is where transcribed content will come in from the partner app and get added to your letter. So with that approach, you can choose where in your letter template that content will get loaded in.